Alright, thank you all for tuning into our YouTube channel, Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair TV, and we are going to show you how to set your parameters for your TBK laminating machine, model number TBK-208M, and we're going to slowly go over all your initial settings so when you get your machine you know exactly where to set it before you actually start using it. Language setting will be the first thing. So as you can see in the screen right now, everything's in English, but yours might actually be in Chinese. So you do not need to know at the beginning which is the button. It's just the bottom right hand corner, this button. It'll be in Chinese, but it's actually your parameter setting. You want to press that first so you can set your language, and you will have Chinese and English. So you obviously want to check English. Make sure you do that first. Once you have set that up, the next thing we're going to do is set up all these settings on the left: vacuum, lamination, bubble time, lamination temperature, and screen temperature, which will be the top plate. You can't see it right now because we have the camera on the tripod, but it's the top plate here at the top. And then of course your alarm temperature. I guess it'll have an alarm that'll beep if it's at a certain temperature for you. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Let's begin with vacuum. Once we have the virtual keypad there, we're going to set it at 98. And then just hit enter. The next thing you're going to do is your lamination. So your lamination is going to be at 35 seconds. And you're going to hit enter. And then your bubble time, I believe that one, I'm looking off the notes that we have, is 5 minutes, so that should be already at 5 minutes. Ours is already, so we're just going to leave it like that. And then we're going to go into the temperature, your lamination temperature, and that should be set to 45. And again, folks, we're going straight by the manufacturer suggested settings. Screen temperature for your hot plate, 80. If you are still using LCDs, you don't want to go higher than 72, but we're going to be doing only OLEDs, so you can set it at 80, maybe a little bit higher than that, but you can change it anytime thereafter. And then of course your alarm temperature, you can leave that at 80. And you should be all set. Once you're done with this screen, all you need to do is hit return. It'll bring you back to your main screen. Most of the screens that we'll be laminating we'll just have to press just one button, and that's it, the auto start button, and the machine will start by laminating, and then after that it'll go into the debubble. So that's mostly the button that you will need to press. If we find out any more tips or suggestions about this machine, we will post them for you. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.